Don't try single option in all the startups. Try all the options under single startup. We spoke about this in a previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, please follow the link in the description. Don't earn money. If you earn money, you have to keep on earning money. Then your money cannot get earned automated. Money should not be earning. Money should be automated earning. In business, don't try to earn money directly. Earn power. Earn power in society. So your business automatically gets power to earn money. Don't be a businessman. If you are a businessman, you have to go behind lot of things. If you become a man of powerful position, then lot of things comes behind you. Then you need not to put efforts to implement the things. You just decide, then the things automatically gets implemented. If you have an communication business, before that earn the powers in communication ministry. Then your communication business listens your any type of decisions. You need not to have good communication to run a communication business. You need to have good powers in communication ministry to run communication business. Be powerful, use full powers. Don't earn money, earn powers. Write in comments what type of business you are planning. Let's try to decode that business in future videos. Continue to watch next on what gets avoided if you take chances in business.